Today we will talk about tenses. As you know that we have three types of tenses. And which are those? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. And these tenses have again four types. That is indefinite, which is also called simple tense, then continuous, then perfect, and the last is perfect continuous. So it means all three tenses, present, past and future, all they have four again different types. Now we will discuss which form of verb is used in which tense. Right? Let us start it from the beginning. When we say present tense, in present tense, first form of verb is used. When third person is given, then S or ES is used with first form of verb. Suppose here it is first person I. Then when first person is given, only first form of verb is used. But suppose it is given here he. If third person is given he, she, it, then along with the first form of verb, S or ES is used. In this sentence, I eat food, because eat is first form of verb, it is used here. If it has been he, then what could we use with it? He eats food, right? Similarly, in the past simple tense, second form of verb is used. And what will become of eat? It will become ate. It means second form of verb will be used in past indefinite tense or simple tense. Then future simple tense, will or shall will be used along with first form of verb. It will become I will eat food, right? Then again present continuous. How will you identify that this is a present continuous tense? Because first form of verb will be used along with ing. So which are the helping verbs that are used? Is and are the helping verbs which are used with first form of verb in present continuous tense, right? Then we have past continuous tense. How will you say this is past continuous tense? Was or were will be used as helping verbs. Then along with was or verb, first form of verb with ing will be used in the past continuous tense, right? Then future continuous tense, again will be or shall be will be used. Then first form of verb with ing will be used in future continuous tense, right? Then we have present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, what is used? Has or have are used as helping verbs, right? Then third form of verb is used in past in present perfect tense. So it will become then we have past perfect tense. In this tense, had is used as helping verb. Then along with had, third form of verb is it clear? Okay. Then we have future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, will have or shall have is used. Then which form of verb is used in it? Third form of verb is used in future perfect tense. Is it clear up to now? Okay. Then we have continuous. Present perfect continuous. Has been or have been are used in it. Then first form of verb with ing used. Then what is more special about it? Since or for is used in this tense. I will tell you when since or for is used afterwards, right? So in past perfect continuous tense, what is used? Had been is used. Then first form of verb is used. Then again since or for is used in this tense. Then we have future perfect continuous tense. In this tense, will have been or shall have been is used. Then first form of verb is used with ing. Right? Again, since or for is used. Now the question is, when since is used in perfect continuous tense? When definite time is given. When point of time is given, then since is used. What is point of time? When we say, I have been working in this school since 2018. I have been working in this school since 2018. Now 2000 year is given. Okay, that is point of time. Similarly, suppose I say I have been eating food for 1 hour. What is it? For 1 hour. This period of time. Okay, then for is used. So, in other words, you can say when we have point of time is given, then since is used, or when period of time is given, then for is used in these tenses. Right?